Welcome back to the station. So to follow up on my isolating of the track here, I'm going to do another little bit of track work, and that is to connect that outer track to the inner track here. I had this one in here, but that's the one that had the fire. I won't use this one, but just to graphically demonstrate what I want to do is get from that track to the inside track so that I've got the option of running two trains. Now what I'll do is I'll move these droppers from that location to that location because the theory is you should put the power at the toe end of the point, and that is the toe end. So I should apply the power here back to the controller, and conversely I should have power going to the track here, as that's the toe end, which means I would remove these dropper wires and these dropper wires, and then theoretically that should resolve the issue where I can actually get these two tracks running simultaneously. Now the other thing is, what I might do is take this line and run it on its own, acting as a third line. But I'll have to give that a little bit of thought. First thing to be done is change this track up, get those points in, and that would be an improvement. Of course, and more importantly, I have to isolate here so that I don't run into the problems I had earlier on the track here. So if I isolate this connection, it shouldn't be a problem. If you have an opinion, please respond. Thank you. Now, a couple of other things have gone on here. I've done a bit of weathering, as you can see, using the Pastel Powders, and it's made a nice job. And also here on the water tower, I've applied the powders on there, as you can see, and to the roof of the canopy for this platform. So it's an easy technique, everybody can do it. Just get yourself some pastels and scrape it off so that you get some powders. Anyway, also I did the same with the signal box here. Let's bring it over, give you a better look. As you can see, a fair wee bit of weathering there. I may go over it again to darken it even more. And the best way to do that is apply the powder, spray the matte finish on it, and then go back in with the same dark powder, and that will deepen the value of the weathering. So that's another easy trick to do. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I get this finished. I actually need to find a right hand point that's not burnt out. I don't think I can do much with this. I think that goes in the bin. Anyway, I'd appreciate your comments if you have any. Always welcome a discussion, and we'll get this done. And we'll see you next time back at the station. Bye for now.